Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. Or if you're new, welcome to an episode. So today, I'm going to be out here in the shop that we're used to, instead of the carport. I've got to fix my mowing deck here because of how lopsided it is, and it's only mowing really good on one side, and the other side it's I guess the blade's dull. And I got a hole in my mowing deck that I need to weld up, and I need to re-level the deck. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her car moved out of the way. My mom's car, that is. I'm going to go ahead and get this trailer out of here. I gotta get the tools out and then get the mower up here so I can drop the deck, and then we'll go from there. Alright, got a little ahead of myself once again, but I got the shop straightened up. New stuff moved in and tools. I got the tractor up and it's secure with a strap so it can't roll back on me. I got the deck off. Here's the deck on the tractor here. There's my hole I need to repair, among a few other things. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blow this off, scrape it, get all the shit off of it. I think I have a spindle that needs to be replaced, and then yeah, so let's get to all the repairs on the deck. Alright, so I'm gonna cut my finger a little bit. Be alright though. Got our patch welded in, and about to move on to sharpening the blades. It's not the most 100% perfect job, but I tell you what, it's a lot better than what it was. I mean, it was a pretty big hole. So looks much better. Like I said, we're on to sharpening the blades, and gonna get that done real quick and get them installed back on the deck so we can go ahead and put it back on the tractor. Alright, our blades are sharp and they're ready to be installed on the mower deck. So let's get them installed. Alright, we got blades, we got a patch deck, everything's sharp, good to go. All we need to do is get this thing back on the tractor and get it leveled out. Alright, deck is on and leveled out. Everything has been adjusted. Everything is ready to mow again. See how level that is. See how far this side's up. And that side. But I think it turned out pretty good, so all in all, I'm happy, and I got my mower back. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go down there and leave me a like if you did. More content to come, so go down there and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Check out Facebook, the Instagram, and Snapchat. And you know, as usual, if you have any questions about this or your mower, your car, or just want to say something in general, feel free to comment down below. So till then, see you guys on the next episode.